Hi children, I am going to introduce my best friend to you all. Meet Mr. Jagu. Jagu, say hi to my children.
Hi.
Very good. See, Jagu is wearing his mask and protecting himself. Okay, see he will not be attacked by any sort of virus. How he has protected himself, you see. Jagu, for some time, let me remove your mask. Okay.
Thank you.
Good. Okay. Now, Jagu is a baby. He doesn't know anything. I will teach him about personal safety. What am I going to teach? Personal safety. Okay. I will teach Jagu. Finally, we will ask questions to Jagu whether he understood or not. Okay, children. Shall we start? Jagu, show your body. Stand up and show your body to my children. Jagu has a beautiful body and he has taken bath and he is very clean, neat and tidy. Yes, Jagu?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Listen here, children. Now, your body is a gift of God. It is very special. It is amazing. It is a gift of God. You can do anything with your body. You can sing with your body. You can see, can you see the musical instrument here? You can play the musical instruments with your body and then you can jump with your body like this, how Jagu jumps. You can jump with your body and then you can also do a fun dance. Now, me and Jagu are going to do a fun dance. You all enjoy. Start music. How was the dance, children? Awesome, isn't it? So me and Jagu has done a beautiful fun dance. Did you all like it? Yes? Good. So our body is very precious and we can do whatever we want with our body and it is our duty to protect our body, to keep our body neat and clean like Jagu. Okay, you should not allow anybody to hurt you like this or teach you like this or nobody should trouble you like this because your body is very precious and you are the boss of your body. Understood, children? So who is the boss of your body? You are the boss of your body. Let us ask Jagu now. Jagu, who is the boss of your body?
Me.
Very good. So Jagu understood who is the boss of his body. You also understood now who is the boss of your body? It's you. It's me who is my boss of my own body. So we have to take care of our body. Understood, children? Children, now I am going to teach you about private parts. So your body belongs to you and you are the boss of your body. Okay. Now I have a doll here. Sweetie. Okay. So this is her body. I will teach you what are the private parts of this doll. Okay. So these are the hands. These are the legs. This is the head. All these things are visible outside. All these things you can see. Okay. The things that are closed, that she has worn a dress, isn't it? So the parts that are hidden inside the dress, that is called as private part. Understood, children? Your chest is the private part and you have legs here. The part between your legs, the center point of your body, the part that is between your legs, this is your private part. Okay? So the chest and the part between your leg, these are the private parts of your body. Nobody should look at your private part or touch your private part or even talk about your private part. Okay? Your mom or dad can touch your private parts. They may give you bath, they may change your dress. So they can touch your private parts by giving you a bath or changing your dress. But other than that, nobody has the right to touch your private parts or look into your private parts or talk about your private parts. It belongs only to you. Nobody should do that. Okay, children? But in case if you are not well, you are going to a hospital, what will the doctor do? He will immediately take the stethoscope like this and put it like this, and then he will check up like this. Like this. Why is he doing like that? Because he has to diagnose what is happening inside your body. Then only he can give you medicines to cure your disease. Isn't it? So if you're unwell, you go to the hospital, the doctor can touch your private part. Okay? But make sure that even a doctor can touch your private part only in the presence of your parents or with any of your trusted elders. Even a doctor cannot touch your private part in the absence of parents or elders. Okay, children? Understood what are private parts? Now I will ask Jagu now. Jagu, get up. Get up. Shall I touch your private part like this? Oh, very good. You must not allow any of you to touch or talk or look to your private part. Understood, children?
Okay.
So, Jagu understood about his private part and taking care of that. Hope you also understood. Yes, children? Hi, children. Now, I am going to teach you what is a good touch and what is a bad touch. Okay? Good touch and a bad touch. Jagu is my best friend. I am showing my love to Jagu. How will I show my love to Jagu? I will hug him so softly. I will kiss him so softly. Then I will hold his hand like this. I will shake his hand like this. All these things are signs of love. I am showing my love to my friend. Okay. So these are all good touch. So when I good touch my friend, he will feel so loved and safe. He will feel so protected and comfortable. Okay. So I can do all these things only with my friend's permission. Otherwise I cannot do all these things. Okay. So this hugging, kissing, holding his hand, all these things are good touch. Understood, children? Okay. Now I will teach you what is a bad touch. Okay. Okay, Jagu?
Yes.
Hitting like this and then kicking with this leg like this and then I'm squeezing his hand like this. It will pain for him, isn't it? All these things are bad touch. Understood, children? It will hurt you. You should not do. You should not hurt others. All these things are bad touch. Okay. Now, if somebody comes, they will act as if they are very good. They will come. They will talk so softly to you. Jagu, I will kiss you like this, but you should not tell to your parents. If somebody warns you like that and you will feel so scared, my God, he's so big and he's telling me not to tell to parents. What will you do? Immediately you have to think, he is a bad fellow. He is a bad boy. You should not allow him to kiss you or touch any of your private parts. What will you do? Should not allow them to stand near you. You should run out of that place or you have to shout, no, you are not supposed to do that. Okay, children, they are all bad boys. You should run out of that place. Immediately you will go and inform your parents. Okay, how will you inform? Somebody told me that I will kiss you like this. You should not tell to your parents. He told me like that. You have to inform your parents immediately. Okay, children, this is how people around you may act to you that they are very good. But you have to think, you are all brilliant children. God has given you all good mind to think about it. Okay, so you have to differentiate what is a good touch and bad touch. Somebody hurts you, or somebody talks bad to you, or somebody scares you, threatens you that I will do all these things but you should not inform your parents, means you will run out of that place and you will inform your parents immediately. Or if your parents are not there, at present they are not available, and somebody hugs you like this tightly, what will you do? You will shout no, you will scream no, so that some other people who are nearby, they may come and help you. Children, this is how you have to protect yourself, because your body is very precious and you are the boss of your body. Understood? Okay. Now let us experiment Jagu whether he understood the concept or not. Okay. Jagu, I am going to experiment you whether you have understood what I have taught or not. Okay.
Okay.
Differentiate good touch and bad touch.
Okay.
Okay. I am hugging Jagu like this. I am kissing Jagu like this. And putting his arm around me like this. Jagu feels so soft and loved and safe. Right? Now, Jagu, I am going to kiss you here, but you should not tell to your parents. What will you do? Oh, see? He understood what is a bad touch. He is not allowing me to kiss without his permission. Isn't it? So, children, understand what is a good touch and bad touch and protect yourself. Okay?
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.